Hi, this is Anamika Haldar. Thank you, Asian Academy of Film and Television, for extending its offer to me. And I would like to introduce myself. I have done my graduations from Shiats University in Allahabad in filmmaking and television production. And then I went on to Banaras Hindu University to do my post graduations, and my specialization was developmental communication. From there, I was campus placed at Star TV India as a creative intern. While in Star, I was promoted to the position of associate producer, and I worked in quite many shows like Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, which was one of the highest rated show in Star TV, and among all the GEC contents that are available. Then my next project was Savdhan India for Star Bharat, and then I went on to my individual projects, which were there were two projects. One was Dhai Kilo Prem and another was Mariam Khan Reporting Live. Both of the shows are off air right now. After leaving Star, I joined Pune in Toolbox Studio, which was a tie-up with TMV, that is Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth. So Toolbox Studio, what basically it did was outsourcing work for various OTT platforms. One of our clients were Netflix also. Our work at Toolbox Studio was very interesting from the academic point of view as well, because Toolbox was a kind of media and corporate sector which was in tie-up with the Students Institute. So the people who were graduating and post-graduating from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth were the ones whom we were preparing for the industry. So we had best of both worlds, the academic work also and the media work also. I recently also qualified my national eligibility test, that is like a mandatory thing for applying for academic positions, especially of assistant professor in any of the academic institutes in India. So for that I had to leave my job in Pune and I needed some time for myself. So I joined the institute in Kanpur where the workload was comparatively low, and that gave me a lot of time to prepare myself, and then I qualified my December net exams. One more thing which I am quite interested in is creating events. So in Kanpur, what I used to specifically do with my students was to make them involved in various kind of activities. Even in Pune, my students were too much involved in various kind of activities like installation artworks and graffiti artworks, and doing street plays, nukkad natak everywhere for promotion of various kind of social issues. And for that purpose, we also sign up the memorandum of understanding between the university and various kind of NGOs that are working in those specific issues and areas. So that is kind of a business deal for us, and it's also good for the university. So coming to the subjects that I have taught so far, so first and foremost is the television production, in which I have a specialization and also my industrial experience. Then visual communication, research methods and technology, communication theories, broadcast journalism, and then television writing, and media writing, content writing, online content writing, radio journalism, and developmental communication. Apart from taking lectures and academic sessions, I have also done other kind of academic works like preparing notes for the students, preparing online video lectures, and then creating departmental database according to the NAC and UGC norms, and then POCO mappings that are necessary for the course this thing, and then organizing workshops and various kind of seminars, cultural activities, open mics, events, and then various kind of NGO works, and then creating the question papers, of course, and then carrying the invigilation duties, and then paper checking and all those things that comes with the academic work, of course. I was also asked to describe my unique selling points. So what I think is, after working in industry as well as academics, what I understand is there's a fine line of difference between academics and the media industry. And what my USP is that I can dilute those lines and create a kind of business platform for any kind of institute that I join. Once again, thank you, Asian Academy of Film and Television, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you and have a nice day.